Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around what arguably I would suggest is one of the best looking 16 plate Jaguar XEs on the market today. Now this is the R Sport and it's got the 2 litre injection petrol engine and that's matched then to the 8-speed silky smooth ZF gearbox. Now I can't emphasise just how nice this car is. It's got the benefit of a full Jaguar main dealer service history, and the details are on the words on the advert, and I've also took a picture of the full documented history on the images on our advert. But this car has just done over 48,000 miles and is in sumptuous order. Really, I can't stress how nice the car is. It's going to go in the showroom, so if you want to come and have a look at it, it will be in our showroom. Now the car's finished in Fuji white and it's sitting on the 18-inch upgrade 5-spoke alloy wheels. Now we've had them powder coated black, so they are brand fire new powder coated black alloy wheels. So as you can see there, the blades are all in perfect order. We've also detailed the calipers and also detailed the discs, so we've painted them black to match the wheel. The paintwork itself, bar a couple of tiny pencil touch-ins, is in lovely order. I can't stress that the last owner must have been their pride and joy, because everything is just gorgeous. The paintwork, as I say, is in gleaming order. As you can see there, white paintwork just shimmering in this 25-degree California Wigan heat that we're experiencing at the moment, but it's in lovely order. No matter what angle you look at it from, it just really is excellent. Taking a look down the passenger side, it's really free from any dent man trolley or anything whatsoever. You would be absolutely over the moon with this car, let me guarantee that to you. So as you come round the car, every line is beautiful. We've got no number plates on it at the moment because we've ran out of them. We put new number plates on everything, but we've just ran out of them. So our Sports come with the parking sensors. This one has the reverse camera. We've got a super large boot there, capable of carrying any shopping baskets, prams, you name it, you'll not struggle to put it in there. So 2 litre turbo engine, 200 brake horsepower. All the tyres on this car are fantastic. Looking down the driver's side, again, it is mirrors the passenger and is in outstanding order. But all in all, these are a fantastic car to start with. We don't really see many petrols at this age. Majority of XEs were all diesels, but this one is one of the petrol engines, which is fantastic on fuel and silky smooth. Once you've got it started, you can't even hear it. Now this one's got the black and red leather interior, which always on a white car is just fantastic. Now you've got power folding mirrors, and they're auto climatic, so they'll dim as well. That is the passenger and the driver's exterior mirror, and then also the interior mirror. But the interior is in super condition. Jumping in, it's straightforward. As you can see there, 48,662 miles as I start the engine up, and that is then in silky smooth. As you rev the car up, it's superb, just superb. Good stereo on these as well. Turn that down. DAB radio. You've got the full media player here, so if we press the home button, you've got media, climate, phone, satellite navigation. Just press the button, there we go. Select reverse, we get the reverse camera. We've got front parking aid and rear parking aid. We've got the silky smooth 8-speed ZF box. We've got the adjustable driving modes. In the centre armrest, we've got USB and also auxiliary with another 12-volt charging point. The red leather detailing goes through and the stitching is all the way around. We've got the Jaguar approved booklet, which is probably the last keeper when they bought it from the Jaguar dealer. But the interior is just sumptuous. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper didn't smoke because it is absolutely lovely and fresh. Winter, we've got heated seats, which are on here, and then we've got the automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, we've got cruise control, we've got the little car at the top, which is lane change assistance. So the features on these are arguably the best that were offered on these cars. When you consider them up against the Jaguar is BMW fighter, it is Audi blower away. It is just the best four-door saloon used money can buy, in my opinion. Now, looking in the rear of the car there, again, the leather is superbly well kept. We've got Isofix seats. The carpets are all in lovely order throughout. We do have 2 keys with it. We do have everything that the previous keeper had. Jaguar main dealer service history, then we'll service it before it leaves Wigan in our workshops. But all the way around the car, it's in lovely, lovely order. Cherished number plate on this, and I arguably would have thought your friends think you'll have bought a brand new car. So if you think that this is exactly what you're looking for, give us a call. I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Dominic. Either one of us will be happy to help in any way. We can take a $250 fully refundable deposit. That will get the car prepared for you, and then you only have to visit Wigan once, at which point then once you've test drove it and you've inspected it, you can then either do a banker's transfer and drive the car home. We can do your finance on the car. Have a look on our website. Underneath the words on our Alpha Motors website is the finance calculator. You can fill an application form in there, send it through to us, and we'll get all the finance in place. 99% of people have got a part exchange. Give us a call. One of us will be able to give you a part exchange price over the phone. Describe your car as it is, warts and all, we don't mind, and we'll give you the best price we possibly can on that day. Have a look at our social media. You'll see lots of customers like yourself as the ambulance drives by, looking at collecting cars from all over the UK. They only come once and then they drive home. All our cars are fully prepared to the highest of standards. All our cars come fully guaranteed, so no matter where in the country, you'll get a guarantee on the vehicle, which is peace of mind. But let me say, what a lovely, lovely car. This is as good as I've seen ever. So, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.